Outdoor Hunting Lab has the most powerful and natural deer scent hunting products on the market. Our product is collected fresh from our own herd of 500 deer that live in a state-of-the-art collection facility and has tested for CWD for the last 21 years. Our certified Peak Estrus is certified 30 picograms per milliliter, far superior to the industry standard. We collect during the 48 hours that yields the highest estrogen content. This will create the illusion of a doe in peak standing heat in front of your stand every time you go out. Buck Challenge is buck urine collected from multiple dominant and rutting bucks. This will challenge the bucks in your area and arouse their territorial instincts. Scrape Rage is a blend of buck and doe urine that will keep your scrapes hot and fresh all season long. Block and Calm is the #1 scent block and natural cover scent that keeps the deer calm in your area by covering your scent with the smell of multiple does. Each bottle of deer urine comes with a spray top, which allows for multifunction use: dip, pour, or mist. Also included is Drag and Drip, which is highly attractive to bucks.